Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Cloud Institution. So today in this video we are going to discuss about very interesting and very important interview question on AWS. So what are the difference between different types of IAM policies are there? Okay, so what are the different types of IAM policies are there? Okay, so this is the question. So as you can see in the previously, so we have seen the policies. What is policies? And policies are some kind of a permissions that can be attached uh, to the specific users groups or roles, right? So what is the different types of IAM policies are there? There are there are two types of two types of IA policies are there. So one is managed policies, another one is inline policies. So as the name suggests, what is managed policies? So the managed policy is nothing but the policies that are standalone policies that you can attach to multiple users and groups and rules. Okay, so if it is a managed policies, that particular policy can be attached to multiple users and multiple groups or multiple roles, okay, at the same time. So they can be AWS managed, created and managed by AWS. Okay, so whenever you're just going to IAM, you must be seeing a lot of policies that is already been there. Okay, so those policies are managed policies. So those are created and managed by AWS itself. Okay, so now the next policy type is that inline policies. So what is inline policies? So the policy is created for the single IAM identity. For example, if the single users or group, so if the policy has been created for the specific, the specific identity itself, specific users itself, or group itself, or role itself, right? That maintains a strictly one-to-one relationship between the policy and the identity. Okay, so it will be having a only one-to-one relationship between the policies, okay, and the identities, right? So as you can see here, manage a policies that can be shared between multiple users and groups and roles, right? So here the inline policies cannot be shared between multiple users and groups, and it can be a one-to-one relationship between the policies and identities. Okay, so hope this interview question is very useful for you guys, because you can expect these kind of interview questions when you're going to the interview. Okay, so because so nowadays all the companies or all the interviewers are expecting more on the security. Okay, so you must be knowing all these kind of security aspects, like what is roles and what is policies, what is the different types of policies. So what is authorization, what is authentication, and these are the terms you should be so very clear of. So okay, so I think this video will be very helpful for you in the future for the to prepare the interview. Okay, so if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, so I'm going to see you again in the next video. Okay, see you guys.